Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make roasted garlic mashed potatoes. This simple but delicious recipe is perfect for any occasion, from a casual weeknight dinner to a fancy holiday meal. The first step is to roast the garlic. We'll need a few cloves of garlic, which we'll chop off the tops and drizzle with olive oil. We'll roast the garlic in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's soft and fragrant. While the garlic is roasting, we'll cook our potatoes. We'll need about 2 pounds of peeled and diced potatoes. We'll add them to a pot of boiling water and cook them until they're fork tender. Once the garlic is done, we'll squeeze the cloves into a small bowl. We'll drain the potatoes and then mash them with a potato masher. We'll add a little bit of butter and some milk to make them creamy. Finally, we'll add the roasted garlic to the mashed potatoes and mix everything together. We'll top it off with some fresh herbs and a pat of butter. And there you have it, delicious roasted garlic mashed potatoes that are sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.